So first step is to install the SQL Server. SQL Server is a database provided by Microsoft. They provide a free local copy to be installed on your computer called SQL Express. So let's go to Microsoft website and download SQL Express. Download SQL Express 2019. So we will choose the option SQL Server Downloads, and if you scroll down you will see download a free specialized edition, developer and Express. I'm gonna choose the Express. Once SQL Express is downloaded, we can just double click and open. It will install SQL Server 2019 Express Edition. From all the three options, we can choose custom because we want to set up for our use. Rest you can leave it as is and hit install. Perfect. Now it will ask you the different options to choose to install. So we're going to choose the first option, new SQL Server standalone installation. We can accept the license terms and hit next. We can hit next. Perfect. So we will hit next again. From all the options, I'm not gonna choose R and Python because we are working only with Java and C#. So we will hit next. It says the named instance. We can see the name SQL Express. Hit next. Install JRE. We can hit next. We can just select next. Now this is the important. We chose custom installation so that we can provide our own authentication. So in this step we're going to use mixed mode SQL Server authentication and Windows, and you can put a password. I am using admin123. You can use your own password. Since this is local copy and it will be installed and running on your machine only, and hit next. Perfect. So we were able to install SQL Server locally on our computer. We chose the custom option because we want to provide our username and password to connect to the SQL database. Then click on close. Next step, it will ask you to install SQL Server Management Studio, because if we want to access the database directly, we can access through SQL Server Management Studio. So let's install SQL Server Management Studio. You can download it free from Microsoft website. Just go to the website provided in the link and you can select free download. Once you have downloaded SQL Server Management Studio, you can just click, double click and start. SQL Server Management Studio provides an interface to talk to the SQL Server database. So we're going to install this Management Studio. Perfect. So SQL Server Management Studio is installed now. We can hit close and let's see if it is working or not. We will type here SQL Server Management Studio. We click open. You have to remember your username and password. Your username is SA by default. That's the admin account provided by Microsoft. Okay, so we have SA. See, you can see it says database engine is your computer / SQL Express, and that's the login username and password, and hit. If everything is okay, I should be able to connect to the database. So you can see now I am able to connect to the database, and if I see here, I can see the system database. So we completed our step 1 to install SQL Server to our local computer. Thank you.